Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of traditional remedies and natural solutions for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we delve into the golden spice of turmeric and its myriad benefits, comparing two popular options, turmeric milk and turmeric water. Join us as we uncover the unique advantages of each and help you discover the perfect fit for your wellness journey. Top benefits of turmeric. Comparing the benefits. Turmeric milk to turmeric water. Deciding between turmeric milk and turmeric water relies on personal preferences and health requirements. Here's a guide to help you identify yours. In the world of traditional remedies, turmeric, a vivid yellow spice, holds a prominent place. For centuries, it has been utilized to combat various ailments and enhance overall well-being. Yet, when it comes to utilizing its potential, two popular options stand out: the comforting warmth of turmeric milk and the refreshing simplicity of turmeric water. Both offer a spectrum of benefits, but which one holds the upper hand? According to a clinical dietitian, this decision hinges on individual needs and the specific health benefits one seeks from the beverage. Why choose turmeric milk? Turmeric milk offers numerous benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Consumption of turmeric milk may help alleviate inflammation-related conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. Immune system support. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and possesses immune-boosting properties. Regular consumption of turmeric milk can strengthen the immune system, aiding the body in fighting infections and illnesses. Digestive health improvement. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, which aids in digestion. Drinking turmeric milk may help alleviate digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Promotion of better sleep. Warm milk has a soothing effect, and when combined with turmeric, it can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Potential cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that curcumin, found in turmeric, may help prevent certain types of cancer due to its anti-cancer properties. Who should avoid turmeric milk? Individuals with gallbladder issues. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which could worsen symptoms for those with gallbladder problems. People on blood-thinning medications. Turmeric possesses natural blood-thinning properties. Therefore, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional before consuming turmeric milk if you're taking such medications. Why choose turmeric water? Turmeric water, a blend of water and turmeric powder, is a popular beverage in Ayurveda and traditional Indian medicine. Opting for turmeric water can offer several benefits. Detoxification. Turmeric is believed to possess detoxifying properties, aiding in liver cleansing and enhancing overall detox processes in the body. Weight management. Some studies indicate that curcumin, found in turmeric, may assist in weight management by regulating metabolism and reducing inflammation. Skin health. Consumption of turmeric water may contribute to clear and radiant skin due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Digestive health improvement. Similar to turmeric milk, turmeric water can aid digestion by stimulating bile production and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. Who should avoid turmeric water? Individuals with a history of kidney stones. Turmeric contains oxalates, which could potentially contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Pregnant women. While turmeric is generally considered safe in moderation, pregnant women should refrain from excessive intake due to its potential to stimulate the uterus. Which option to choose? Turmeric milk, ideal for individuals seeking a comforting and nourishing bedtime drink. It's particularly beneficial for those dealing with inflammation-related issues, poor immunity, or sleep disturbances. Turmeric water, suitable for individuals preferring a lighter beverage or aiming for detoxification and weight management. It's also a good choice for those with lactose intolerance or avoiding dairy products. A recommended serving of turmeric milk or turmeric water could range from ½ teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder mixed with a cup of milk or water. The bottom line, whether you're seeking the comforting embrace of turmeric milk or the refreshing simplicity of turmeric water, both offer a wealth of health benefits rooted in centuries of traditional wisdom. Embrace the power of turmeric in your daily routine and let its golden glow illuminate your path to vibrant well-being. Here's to harnessing the magic of nature for a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching this exploration of the incredible benefits of turmeric. If you found this information helpful and want to stay updated on more health tips and remedies, please consider subscribing to our channel. Remember, your journey to wellness begins with small, mindful choices every day.